Everyone, this is Vivek. In this video, I'm going to introduce our new video series on development of AI Cartoonizer app. We are going to use free REST API to implement cartoonization feature, and we will cover every aspect of mobile app development from initial phase to deployment in Play Store. In this application, we are going to use provider for state management, and we will follow MVVM architecture for the development of this application. And here in my screen you can see the Figma design of our AI Cartoonizer app. Here we have splash screen. So let's explore each screens one by one, and I will explain the features or things that we are going to implement side by side. Okay. So here we have a splash screen, and here we have our introductory screens like the screen with the continue button and this beautiful graphics. And here you can see the options for login. Here we have two options, that is uh, sign in with email and password and sign in with Google. So to implement this feature we are going to use Firebase for authentication. Like Firebase offers different forms of authentication, from social sign in, from sign in using phone number, sign in using email and password, etc. Okay, so we will rely on Firebase for the backend of our AI Cartoonizer app. So here you can see the screens for uh, login, registration, and password reset. Okay. So in this video series, in the first few videos, we will design or we will develop the screens for all these screens, and after that we will start integrating all the features needed one by one. So here we have onboarding screens, and this app is going to be a freemium app, meaning that we are going to provide uh, this AI cartoonizer service with some restrictions. So if user have to go beyond the restriction, then they have to pay us either weekly or yearly. So uh, for this feature we are going to integrate in-app purchase in our Flutter app. So we are going to make use of third-party SDK from this company Revenue Cat. Like we are choosing Revenue Cat as it is easy to integrate, and it provides lots of data about our subscriptions, and it is free of charge until we reach a pricing cap. Let me see. Okay, so it is free till we make 2.5k thousands revenue. So after we cross the 2.5k revenue, then they will charge us 1% of what we earn. Okay, so it is completely free to start. Let's go back to our UI. And the main question is about how we are going to cartoonize the user image. So we are going to use a free API provided by this website named AI Photograph, as you can see here, aiphotograph.com, and it is still in the development phase, but it will be in stable version while we reach the implementation part of. Okay, so as I'm straight with this site, I will ensure that the development of this site will be completed, and I will make sure that the price of the API remains free to certain limit, so that we can test and integrate in our app. And we'll also try to make use of uh, Gemini API provided by the Google for the purpose of image generation from text. So for that you will need a credit card. So if you don't have credit card, then you can arrange it in advance, so that we can use immediately when required. Okay, so as Google is providing like $300 credit, so we can explore as much as we can, and we can try all the services provided by Gemini. Okay, so here we have like 6 types of customization styles offered by our API, and we can choose our own style, upload our photos, and we can simply hit on generate button to uh, generate high quality cartoonized images. And here we are placing the watermark to encourage users to subscribe to premium version to remove the watermark. So here we have some screens regarding privacy policy, and here we have drawer sidebar reflecting some additional important things like privacy policy and frequently asked questions. And here we have like promotion banner that encourage users to try pro now. Okay, so here we have a cartoon lab where we are going to provide an image, and we'll make use of Gemini API, which will work on the basis of the image we have provided and the prompt we have given. For example, if I upload my own photo and I enter a prompt like the image of person in an anime style, then the result will be anime style of my own image. Okay, anime version of my own image, and we can generate like around 4 numbers of image at a time. So we'll explore the Gemini API in the Vortex AI console. Okay, and here are some inspirational images and prompts to try. Okay, so after selecting the image and the prompt, then we are going to select the model. Okay, so we can make our own models, like we can uh, use AI to find some keywords regarding the popular cartoonization models or cartoonization styles, and in the prompt we can write something like the realistic cartoon image something. If the style is realistic cartoon, then we will use the realistic cartoon at the beginning of the prompt. Okay, the user don't need to enter that, but we will programmatically append that text. Okay, and here are few screens showing the generation of that cartoonized image, and here you can see the result. Okay, it looks cute. So for the completion of this app, we're going to use uh, um, lots of third-party SDKs and tools. Okay, so for the completion of this mobile app, we have to go through the different features to make sure that the app grows well and it fulfills the purpose of the app. Like um, the purpose of the app is to deliver the customization service and earn some money as well, right? So that we are going to use in-app purchase. And in addition to the features that I have explained, we are going to use push notifications to drive the user engagement in our app. So for push notifications, we are going to use one signal. Is this is free and popular, and under the hood, it make use of the Firebase cloud messaging tokens. And for this, we need to set up Firebase. As we are going to use Firebase for authentication, it will be already set up. And we'll make use of mobile push notification from on signal, and it is also very easy to integrate. And additionally, we can programmatically send the APIs. Sorry, we can programmatically send the notification by APIs provided by the on signal. So we can make something like our own admin app, and send notification to the all users or group of users whenever required. Okay, we can categorize the users on the basis of their behavior in our app. Okay, in addition to the push messages, there is a feature of in-app messaging, like the uh, promotional banners or something that we see as soon as we open the app, like this. Here you can see the example. After this, we are going to use Firebase for all the backend features like storage, database, and authentication. So this video series will cover everything from setting up Firebase uh, to make from setting up Firebase to optimize it for the production. Okay. After that, we are going to use Google AdMob to show uh, ads on our app so that we'll make some money. So if the user is pro, then we'll not show ads, but we'll show ads to the free users so that we can get our cost, that is that we spend on the API or hosting the API. Okay, and I would like to inform that all the details of the development of this app will be provided in my blog named neptechworld.com. Be sure to check the latest article on this blog. In the latest article, I will update uh, all the work that is going to happen or that is completed. For now, I'm going to the uh, leave this URL of the Figma design in the article present. Okay, the article is not ready yet, but I will publish it as soon as I complete this recording and leave the design of the Figma link there. And you can always check the article for the updates. Okay, so this much for the introduction video. If you have any doubts regarding this cartoonizer app, or if you have any suggestions for the development of this app, then please be sure to comment it and share your views. uh, Thank you for watching.